Oh, I saw the tower. Yeah, I saw the tower in that Eight of Wands energy. So looks like something here that is unexpected is coming towards you and it could be happening right now. Let's see what that is. Okay. Uy, kung ano man yun I think na matagal mo yung waiting sa life mo. Matagal mong hinintay yan and the ship is really coming. Yung iba nga dumating na yung ship, dumaong na dito, no? At ikaw ay nakasakay na doon. So yeah, alamin natin kung ano yan. Uy, kung ano yan, magsistay ha. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Magsistay. Let's see. Magsistay pero parang meron ka lang a little question rito. Pero hindi to the point na it's something negative. Parang mapapatanong ka lang, no? And that's what we're gonna find out. Ano ba yung tanong na yun? Pero hindi ko nakukuha na ito ay negative. Parang mapapaisip ka lang ng bahagya. Yeah. No daw? Kaya nga aalamin natin, no? Huwag kang, ikaw na dito. Chisera. Tignan natin. Yan. Tayong keme-keme. Okay, basahin tayo matagal mo nang inintay. At ang maganda, ano naman yung unexpected na paparating na yun. Nagsistay. Okay. Yun yun. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay. So, let's see. Oh. Two of Cups energy. So, yan mga babes, no? Yan. Alam mo, nakikita ko nagkakamabutihan kayo nitong person na to. Nagkakamabutihan kay, just take how this resonates kasi this is timeless. Pwedeng ito ay tapos na, pwedeng magka-in relationship na kayo, pwede naman getting to know at pwedeng papasok pa lang to sa life ng iba sa inyo. Pero yan nga, na just take how this resonates with you. Okay? So, yan, nakikita ko dito na meron dito, no, na namumuo rito soul connection. And, alam mo yung meron na yun eh. Okay? Meron na yon. Meron na kayong soul-to-soul connection nitong person na to. Mag-i-improve pa more. Mag-i-improve pa lalo. Yun na nakikita ko dito. So, there is some kind of improving, okay, and it will somehow has that potential to turn beautiful. Okay? Right here. So, yeah, mga babes na tingnan natin. Tingnan pa natin more. Okay? At saka sweet siya, no? Alam mo, nakuha ko sa kanya, this person right here is someone who is, hindi lang ikaw yung gusto niya. Gusto rin niya at may respeto siya, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, sa family mo, sa mga friends mo, or sa mga colleagues mo, no, sa mga people na close sa'yo. Yan, no? Sa mga people rito na alam niya, no, na parte ng life mo. This is a sweet person, by the way, and wearing his or her respect, no, sa kanyang pagkatao rito. At nakikita ko rin na respectful rin siya. Nire-respect rin siya pagdating sa kanya ritong work because I'm getting that Eight of Coins energy to the King of Cups. This is someone here who is one, syempre, emotionally available sa'yo lang, mga may loves. Kasi ang King of Cups, no, is someone here. I'm seeing, white horse right here. So definitely, I'm seeing an image of a white horse. So white horse in the tarot, yeah, is somewhat assistance. So it looks like this person right here is in-assist or i-assist ito papunta sa buhay mo. So ibig sabihin, this person right here could be someone here na talagang binigay or sinend or sinent sa inyo ni universe right here. Wow. This is someone here that is really, really very warm ang kanyang pagpapakita ng expression of love to you. So yeah, this person is a little bit shy, pero alam mo yon, okay? hindi siya rito nagkukulang or hindi siya rito magkukulang ng pagpaparamdam sa'yo na ikaw ay kanyang minamahal at ikaw ay importante, espesyal at mahalaga sa kanya. So, yun ang nakikita ko rito. So, this person is someone here na pwedeng merong mataas na posisyon sa kanya ritong trabaho. Baka may business rin siya at the same time or baka may business siya, business owner. Pero kung sino man siya, no, focus rin siya sa trabaho niya at nakikita ko na stable na siya when it comes to his or her work and finances. Okay? Whether may business or wala, pwedeng trabaho, pwede rin naman na business, no, at this person is pwedeng may expansion yung business niya, no, or meron siya rito iba pang pinagkakakitaan. Yun yung nakukuha ko rito. Okay. You know what I'm getting from here? Alam mo example nun 'no, like din siya ng mga tao sa paligid mo, yung nakikita ko rito. Sa sobrang like siya ng tao sa paligid mo, pinapaalam ka niya kunyari aalis kayo with the Chariot card right here and the Three of Cups 'no. Whether sa family mo or kung sino man yung mga kasama mo sa house 'no, kapag aalis kayo, this person make sure na ipapaalam ka niya sa parents mo 'no, to the point na alam mo yung pwedeng biruin siya ng parents mo na, kunyari, "Tita, alis lang po kami, punta lang kami sa ganito." And then, yung parents mo parang, "Ay, kahit wag mo na siyang iuwi." To the point na nagbi-build na rin ng trust yung parents mo, no? Example lang yung mga babes, no? Just sabi hindi ka na uuwi, okay? So, whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates, okay? So, I'm seeing a very balanced connection here coming from both sides. Okay, whether you're already connected with this person or not yet, this person is actually respectful. And of course, this person is actually serious about you. Yeah. So, kung sino man siya, nakikita niya rito, no, yung potential in you guys na maaaring kayo na talaga yung divine counterpart niya. Yan, no? It gives me this kind of message that this is someone here na mapagkakatiwalaan ng mga taong ka-close mo. Yung mga friends mo right here because they're gonna feel the vibe, the intention, the purity of intention of this person right here sa'yo. Yan, no? So, this person right here has this energy, mga babes, no, na hindi lang ikaw yung makakaramdam rito, no, ng pagmamahal niya, kundi pati yung mga people around you. Wow, beautiful. Let's keep moving. Alam mo yung stable na siya, mga babes, no? Pero willing pa siya ritong magpapakapagod pa para maibigay rito yung life na deserve mo. Yeah. So, this is the type of energy right here, no? Tsaka yung energy niya parang pagod kasi ang dami niyang ginagawa with this Two of Coins energy. Pero, hindi yung pagod na magki-quit sa life. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, this person could be someone who is a business owner, may mataas na posisyon, could be a CEO pa nga para sa iba, pero whatever the case may be, pagod, okay? Yung kanyang body kasi ang dami niyang ginagawa when it comes to work and finances. Pero, this person is not the type of energy na magki-quit doon. Okay, it's just that marami lang siyang ginagawa and nakakapagod ito. Okay, pagdating sa katawang lupa niya, yun yung nakukuha natin dito. But this person with this Six of Coins energy at the middle, this person is actually someone here na willing ibigay sa'yo ang lahat. Kaya sinasabi niya rito, no, na willing pa siya mag-exert pa, okay, ng more effort sa kanyang trabaho or sa kanyang money para mas mabigyan kanya rito ng magandang life. Yan, na nakukuha ko rito. Whether this person is already your husband or not yet, or already your wife, Latin gender, LGBTQ, of course, mga mahal, just take how this resonates. But, okay, this is someone here that wants to give the life. Okay, the things that you want, the things that will make you happy in the material world. Alam niya, mga babes, no, na okay ka na. Okay ka na sa may na nagki-care siya sa'yo. Alam niya yun eh, nakontento ka na na nagki-care lang siya sa'yo, na nag-update siya sa'yo, nagte-text, tinatawagan ka niya, pinaparamdam niya, sinushow niya, no, this person always touch your heart This person always make your heart feel okay and feel love. This person is actually knows na okay ka na dun, pero this person still wants to shower you as well with material things. Gusto niya rin mga babes, na bigyan ka rito no, ng mga bagay na like gamit, nabibili, ganyan, no? And hindi lang basta yun, kundi yung bagay na gusto mo. Yung bagay na hinahangad mo. Kunwari, example, no? Mahilig ka sa kape, example lang, no? Tapos gusto mong bumili, no, ng Nespresso. Example. Hindi pa ako endorser ng Nespresso, no? Pero coffee machine na lang, no, yan, no. Gusto mo bumili ng coffee machine, no, yung may ano na, no, yung may pwedeng gumawa ng froth or nung parang may creamer, keme-keme root, no, yung advanced na gano'n, no. So, this person will give that to you. Unexpectedly, you will receive that. Hindi mo yun hihingin, pero dahil alam niya na gusto mo yun, ipoprovide niya yun sa'yo. Kahit kontento ka na may namahal ka lang niya, okay. This person will still give that to you. The things that you want. Okay? Not to buy your love, kung nililigawan ka pa lang niya, hindi gano'n. Kundi gusto niya ritong iparamdam sa'yo na ikaw ay espesyal, no? At handa niya ritong gawin at bilhin ang mga bagay rito na alam niyang makakadagdag ng kasayahan mo. Okay? Kasi alam niya na very appreciative ka. Okay? Na-appreciate mo yung mga little things that he does or she does for you. Okay, so yeah, let's keep moving. Pero yun nga, stable na siya pagdating dito sa work. No? Kaya hindi ko nakikita mahahassle siya no? Kung ipoprovide at bibilihin niya man, no? Yung mga bagay na gusto mo kahit na ito ay may kamahalan pa. Okay? So yeah, let's keep moving. Willing mapagod, taray. Oh! Mm-hmm. So, with the Knight of Coins energy, the moon right here, and let's see na nga, yeah, definitely, this is what I'm getting. So, this is you. For you, this is really hard to believe in this reality of the 3D world. Hindi ka makapaniwala, nahihirapan kang maniwala. Like, literally, na may ganito palang klase ng tao sa Earth. Diba? Eh dahil nga mga babes, nasa iyo na yan, ano pang ini-waitings mo? Add to cart din, check out na. Diba? Add to cart mo na yung person na yan, then check out mo na yan. Yan. Diba? Ibig sabihin nun, i-claim mo. Kasi sinabi, i-add to cart mo siya. So, whatever the case may be, i-claim mo na siya. Kasi with this moon right here, this is you na parang misteryosohan ka. Kasi this person is actually giving you the vibe. And you could be asking as well yung mga people around you, yung family mo, family members, your parents, your friends, your best friends, your colleagues, your co-workers, someone that you are close to. At tanungin mo sila, isa-isahin mo sila rito, no? And they're gonna give you this kind of advice that, yeah, alam mo, magaan din yung pakiramdam namin sa kanya. And yes, nafe-feel namin na talagang seryoso siya sa'yo. And we feel na maaalagaan ka niya. Okay? Because you are feeling it to the point that you are now asking everybody around you that is close to you because this is you. May isip mo na rito mga babes no na ako lang ba ang nakakaramdam at nakakakita nito? What about the other people around me? Yes, you're gonna find out. Naboto, naboto din sila sa kanya. And that they also want that person for you. What you're feeling, the intention, the purity of the intention is also what the other people around you is also feeling. So whatever the case may be, I'm also getting that. Yeah, I'm not part of your world, honey, but I'm guessing that this person's purity of his or her intentions is really approved to me. So kung sino man siya, we're both feeling the same vibe here. So whether this person is getting to know kayo or whether this person is already or in relationship na or married na kayo, I will also agree with this person. Kasi this person will really take care of you. And what I also love about this one, okay, actually the one that's really standing out that everybody is looking for is that faithfulness. And this person is embodying that as well. This person is faithful and will be faithful to you. And this person, the King of Cups, will not look to any other woman or any other man right here, even though they're the most attractive people on earth. Okay? So yeah, this is yun, misteryosohan ka, no? Na to the point na it's hard to believe na may ganitong klase ng tao nagkakagusto. So yes, my loves, na to the point na parang alam mo yung parang, ano to, ako ba yung nakahanap ng huling Dragon Ball? kaya, kaya binigyan ako ng ganitong klase ng gift. Or naisalba ko ba yung buong Earth noon? Hindi kaya ako yung may hawak ng kapangyarihan ni Goku at sinalba ko ang buong mundo. Yan, no? Yes, my love. Okay? Hindi man ikaw yung nakahanap ng huling Dragon Ball kasi ako yun eh. Klinim na ako yung nakahanap ng huling Dragon Ball. Siyempre, hindi ikaw. O hindi mo alam, ako yung nakahanap ng huling Dragon Ball. Excuse me, hindi si Gohan ang nakahanap ng Dragon Ball. So, yun nga, no, this is you. You feel like you're dreaming, okay, with this Four of Swords energy and there's that moon. Okay? But it's true, honey. This person is for ya. This person is being assisted by that white horse na nakita ko kanina. So, ibig sabihin, this person is really in-assist ni universe sa iyong life. Okay, let's keep moving. Oh! So, this is what is inside your thoughts. So, I'm getting right here that with this Ten of Cups energy, Six of Swords, Four of Coins, you're gonna decide, okay, to keep this connection, to dive deeper in getting to know this person kung nagsisimula pa lang ninyong makilala yung isa't isa because there's this intense soul-to-soul connection and you're feeling that this person's intentions is really true and pure, genuine it is, tunay. Okay? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this is you. I think you're gonna settle down with this person right here. Okay? Kung magka-in relationship na kayo, no? And you're thinking about proposal engagement, yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay? Or kung kayo ay wala pang officialing kayo, okay, magde-decide ka rito to keep this relationship. That's it. Kasi nakakita ka rito na ito na yung taong gusto ko, ganitong klase ng individual yung gusto ko makasama sa buhay ko. Yung willing akong alagaan at ipakita yung pagmamahal niya nang walang hinihintay na kapalit. At lahat ng mga gusto mo sa isang relationship is nasa kanya. Ini-embodies niya. You are not seeing this person as someone who is actually really perfect. But for you, this person is actually, you're giving me this kind of vibe that this person is more than enough to me. This person is more than enough to me. Wala na akong hahanapin pa ever. Yeah, yun. Kaya mag-decision ka rito na i-keep tong relationship na to at connection na to alive right here. So, congratulations, honey, because you've already found your true love. And yeah, what I love about that one is that white horse. You do not know how beautiful it is kapag nakakita tayo ng white horse, no? Sa ating vision, sa ating image, or even sa ating mga cards per se. But whatever the case may be, that white horse is that messenger coming from the spirits and angel guides, universe, it is, this person is really sent to you by the divine. So, thank you so much, collective. Sana ngayong love and life.